Y'all, welcome back to Tanja's World. Y'all, I thought I was taping y'all, and I wasn't even taping y'all. We went to McDonald's. And I already bit the sandwich. Y'all stay focused. Thank you for taking time out your day to come back and see about your girl. Yeah, I'm up here talking and everything, honey, and I'm on, because I ain't did this in a minute. Y'all, we here for the quick one, too, from McDonald's. Mmm, everything hot. Everything hot, y'all. Mm-hmm. Well, the fish the fries ain't really that hot. But the girl, she opted to switch them out. I was like, girl, I ain't got time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. I'm doing fabulous, honey. I thought I was taping, but I wasn't a minute ago. But y'all check this out. I got a sweet tea today. Um, what I was saying earlier was that I was able to get online on a couple people channels. But y'all, we've been busy at work. Um, just due to everything going on, y'all. Y'all know about the government shutdown, so I tell people, help out when you can. Pray. We don't control anything. You know what I'm saying? We don't control anything. So we just got to do the best that we can with the circumstances that we're in right now. And just know circumstances in life is temporary. Amen. This is temporary. Hmm. You know, I hope things don't get so heavy for people to where they feel as though they can't handle it or they can't see, their way through, because the Most High plan is always better than ours, you know. But I don't know, y'all. It's looking real crazy. It's looking real crazy out here in these streets. And you have these doctors and nurses and things coming in without getting paid. Mm-hmm. And it's crazy because you would think that your government job would be secure. Mm-hmm. But that's when, times like this, I be like, I wish I had a mate. Because I had to try to figure out everything on my own, endure everything on my own. It's the truth. That's my truth, y'all. I don't have anyone to call, to say this or that or whatever. I'm all I got. Me and the Most High. And my angels and ancestors has not failed me yet. Hmm? You gotta know where your help come from. Where your covering come from. Hmm? We don't walk by sight. We walk by faith. Come through, somebody. I don't understand it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't. And I don't claim to. But what I do know is this. It's because people make a certain amount of money or what. That's why I say this is why I say you can't count other people's pockets. You don't know what other people have going on. Mm? But what I will say is this. This is for myself. Even though I be trying to save a little bit, and this and that, but I need to do better. Because when time like this and stuff like this is going on, I'm out here uncovered. You know what I'm saying? I'm sustaining. I mean, I'm covered. Y'all know what I mean. It's looking crazy out here, y'all. Pray. Pray. Let me get out this energy because it got me feeling heavy, y'all. It got me feeling heavy because why? Not only for myself, but for other people because, y'all, other people come up to me. These are doctors and nurses and stuff and techs and stuff. We just be talking and chopping it up. Y'all, when I tell y'all they spirits low, it's bad. It's bad. They're concerned about how they going to do this, how they going to do that. A lot of them, and these people make good money, decent money, compared to other people out here. And some of them truly don't have any savings or anything. And I'm like, wow. Now, and I'm not judging because life be happening, but I find that to be alarming. That's why I say sometimes you think that you got it bad or you may feel like, this or that or whatever. But other people, that's why I say all the time, it ain't about the amount of money that you make. It's what you do with the money when you get it in your hand, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We don't never anticipate, bad stuff happening and stuff going wrong and this and that or whatever. But y'all, at the blink of an eye. And I tell people all the time, we all, most people, I can speak for me. Let me go 2 paychecks. Stuff gonna be looking crazy. We all 2 paychecks away from homeless. From being homeless. That's why I don't toot my nose down at nobody. Life has a way of making you humble. Y'all know where this coming from, but this is just where I'm at right now because my spirit is heavy for for everything that's going on out here. Dead ass. hmm We have to pray. Not only for ourselves, for the people that is over us also, to do the right thing. Not for the bottom line, but for the dollar, but for the people. Amen. Mm-mm. Well, anyway, y'all, let me get out of here. I just came on here to tell y'all, hey, right? I'm gonna try to go live. If not tomorrow, maybe the next day, because I did the front yard this morning. Water, yeah. We still got to water the grass and stuff, even though it's turning cold, and I really don't want to be out there. But I got out there this morning, did the front. I gotta put some water in that backyard because it's looking crazy back there, and I need to weed eat that the other side of the house over there too. Y'all, in the AM. I'm always doing something, y'all. I can do all things. Come through, amen. The Most High strength gives me my strength, y'all. Well, anyway, y'all, if you're on the highway, be careful back and forth. I love me some y'all. I miss y'all. Pray for me, and I'm going to pray for y'all. Right? We're going to get together, me and y'all. We're going to get together and do this thing. Uh, Love yourself and always love on someone else. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.